Hello, my name is Christine. Today I will be showing you how to add a blog post or page. Go to https://www.angelscreations.net/act-login/. Now type in your username and password. Now do Google reCAPTCHA and click on login. Now you're in your admin dashboard and this is what you should have. Now look on the left-hand side menu and look for posts. Now hover over posts and you should have a menu pop out on the right-hand side. Now click on add new. Now you're on the add new post page. Please read how the editor works by going to this link https://wordpress.org/support/article/wordpress-editor/. Type in your post title and then click on the plus sign. Now it should have opened up a pop-up box and click on browse all. Now you will see a list on the left-hand side of the page and I am going to use custom HTML. Now add the post subcategory and tag that you want your post to go underneath your designer name, i.e. Angels Creations, Bundle Packs. Now click on Publish and then click on Publish again. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see WP Rocket options and click on Generate Specific CPCSS button. Now add Twitter hashtags. I used hashtag PaintShop Pro, hashtag Photoshop, and I would like you to use the same tags. Now click on Update. That is how you add a blog post or page to the website. Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by angelscreations.net.